I'm currently getting my pottery studio renovated, but I wanted to show you guys my little makeshift studio for now. This room originally used to be my office and I used to film in here. If you know, you know. I used to have a little couch here that I would film my videos on. Currently I have this table cover on the floor just so I don't get clay everywhere. I'm in the process of throwing some large vases. We have some cups wrapped up here. My new little shelf. Isn't this so cute? I got the eggplants and the pears from an artist at an art show this year. I think the lava lamp is kind of fun. This is the closet in the room. It has like all my packing material for my pottery. This is kind of a mess. I just have things like sitting on my desk. I'm obviously not using that. I have my little lights, my tripod. I brought a few tables in. We got that guy, obviously my wheel, and that little table. I guess I already showed you that. But yeah, that's basically it. This is gonna be my little studio for like the next month.